Unit 7 End of Unit Assessment Retake. Calculator inactive. Question 1. At the animal shelter there are always more than 4 animals, but less than 25 animals. Determine if each inequality is true or false if A is the total number of animals. Determine if each number is a common multiple of 8 and 12. Write yes or no. Question 3. Given x equals -6, place each letter on the number line. Question 4a. Which temperature is colder, -5 degrees Celsius or -7 degrees Celsius? Question 4b. Write an inequality to express the relationship between -5 and -7. Question C. On this number line, graph all the temperatures that are colder than -7 degrees Celsius. Question 5. Draw a polygon A, B, C, D, E, F in this coordinate plane, given these vertices. A, -4, 2, B, 0, 3, C, -1, -4, D, 3, 3, E, 2, -3. Question 6. This graph shows the elevation in meters at some different times. Negative values of x represent times earlier than noon, and positive values of x represent times later than noon. A. At 10 a.m., the hiker was at 2 meters below sea level. Which point represents their starting location? B. At noon, the hiker was 2 meters above sea level. At this point, add this point to the graph and label B. Question C. The hiker climbed downward 4 meters from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Add a point to the graph and label C that shows her possible elevation at 4 p.m. D. Another hiker was also hiking on the same day. They started at point D. Explain in context what time and elevation they began their hike.